Can a mental health clinician use can a mental health clinician use AI or ChatGPT to write their immigration evaluations or treatment plans or notes? I do. Hi, my name is Jeremiah Rankins. I'm a licensed professional counselor and I help hundreds of people learn how to do immigration evaluations. So, without AI, ChatGPT specifically, like I'm not sponsored by ChatGPT, I use AI ChatGPT to expedite my immigration reports. Cheat code. If you're not, I don't know what to tell you. So, there's a group of clinicians out there, traditionally seasoned, who are saying, hey, you got to be careful on the AI, careful, careful, careful. We all know how dangerous AI is. We know this. And so you absolutely can use AI to write your reports. And in fact, without AI, I probably wouldn't be doing these evaluations, honestly. And the reason why is because when AI came out, I bought the subscription or whatever, the pro plan, and I started using it. I've become so accustomed to it, how it expedites my reports. I no longer want to do this by hand. Like, I just don't. But if you want to know specifics, and I'm pretty sure you do, you want to see how you can use AI to basically speed up the process of the long report writing that you have to do. How can you avoid that? And I'll tell you, my recommendations, I give you two recommendations that I have for you. One, make sure that you are not asking AI, ChatGPT, or whoever else to write the whole report. Do it in sections. It may take a little bit longer, but I've learned that whenever you break it up in sections, you're able to structure a report, break it down, you're able to review it, and then move on to the next section, then move on to the next section, then move on to the next section. And so when you break your report down in pieces, I've learned that it's more structured, it's more easier on the eyes to read. And so I just recommend that you break it into sections when you write your report, whether it's background and history, boom, a whole page and a half, 2 pages, a page, whatever, on the history, the background, the childhood, the development, the high school age, the teenage, the trauma, all that, put that there. Then the next section, then the next section. How did they meet? Right. So just depending on what you are assessing in your report, just break each section down into compartments and then ask ChatGPT how to to basically write that section up for you and then review that. After you review it, critique it, adjust this, include the names, include birthdays, include whatever you need to. Second thing, I never upload first and last name identifying information. I just don't do it. And so I can put XXX, and then later on, when I upload it into the report or upload it into Word, which I don't use, I use a different software because it's free. But if you want to upload your document into the software, then you create um, a rule, and in that rule, instead of XXX, it's going to be Jeremiah Rankins. And so boom, you put that rule in, and then all the X's are Jeremiah Rankins, all the O's is going to be his spouse. um, you see, and you just go ahead and plug and paste those identifying names. Now a lot of people say, oh, I don't want to do that, it's too hard, I just rather write it out. I guarantee you it's easier, especially when you get a flow. So can you write immigration evaluation reports using AI? You absolutely can. Well, can you do it ethically and morally? You absolutely can. It's a no brainer. I recommend it. And if you have any further questions, I have a course, a training where it's like priced at $97 for this mini course on how to prompt ChatGPT. Like, prompting is probably the most important part of using AI. Asking the AI to do something and getting a very specific result. You've got to know how to prompt. And so if you need assistance on that, just go ahead and click the link in the comments of my bio, and you'll be able to gain access to that mini course. I hope this video helped you.